This is at 44 Lake Plaza. Let's see what kind of elevators they have here. They got some nice brutalism, if that's what it could be called. Hopefully the elevators aren't modernized. I don't know what that is, but we'll see. Oh, they do look modernized. Adams mod. Let's see what they are. They're both on 6. $500A? Huh. Up to 6? That's where the old indicator used to be. Doesn't line up with the numbers changing very well. What are these? This one's taller. Down to 1. Back up to 6. We'll end the video up there. That doesn't sound good. Whoa, geez, these things don't level right. Wait, hold on. I want to see, this thing levels weirdly. It keeps re-leveling when it opens. Didn't do it that time. We'll hit 1 so we get that down shine again. Geez, why does this sound so bad going up? No re-level. Anyway, bunch of those. That's it.